Today I am reviewing the Presto 021444 12-quart digital pressure canner. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. One of the biggest strengths of this digital pressure canner is that it is the first of its kind to automate both pressure canning and water bath canning. Traditionally, pressure canning requires constant attention to manage temperature, pressure levels, and timing. With this machine, those manual adjustments are no longer needed. The canner guides you step by step through the process, and the digital interface shows you exactly what stage you are in, whether it's preheating, venting, processing, or cooling. This makes canning more accessible for beginners, while still offering the performance and precision that experienced canners appreciate. The fact that this canner meets USDA guidelines for safely processing low-acid foods is a major advantage. Foods like meat, poultry, vegetables, and fish require precise pressure and temperature control to ensure safety. And this machine includes technology that keeps everything within the required range. The integrated sensor automatically maintains the correct temperature throughout the entire cycle, so you do not have to monitor stovetop burners or adjust settings manually. For people who live at higher altitudes, it is especially helpful that the canner requires no adjustments for elevation. This gives users peace of mind, knowing that the machine is handling the technical details for them. The versatility of the canner is another standout feature. While pressure canning is essential for low-acid foods, water bath canning is often used for fruits, pickles, salsas, jams, and jellies. Instead of needing two separate tools, the Presto 021444 handles both methods in one appliance. You simply choose the appropriate setting through the control knob, and the digital display walks you through the correct sequence. The LED icons are easy to read and make it simple to understand each phase of the process. This dual functionality makes the canner especially valuable for people who like to preserve a wide range of foods throughout the year. Safety is one area where this machine truly shines. Presto designed it with 10 built-in safety features, including a secure cover locking system that prevents the lid from opening under pressure. The automated temperature sensor ensures that the canner never overheats or drops below safe processing levels. There are also features that prevent the canner from starting unless everything is properly locked and sealed. These built-in safeguards make the canning experience much more comfortable, especially for people who may have been hesitant to try pressure canning in the past. The digital interface is one of the most user-friendly aspects of the unit. Instead of guessing or constantly checking manual instructions, you simply follow the prompts on the screen. Each stage illuminates with clearly marked icons, guiding you from the beginning to the end of the process. The control knob feels intuitive and allows you to switch modes and set times easily. This level of automation makes the canner feel modern, efficient, and accessible for households of all skill levels. Another detail that users will appreciate is the generous 12-quart capacity. This size is large enough to handle multiple jars at once, making it perfect for batch canning. Whether you're preserving vegetables from your garden, stocking up on homemade soups, or preparing fruit preserve for the winter, the capacity is ideal for moderate to large canning projects. Despite its size, the machine is surprisingly manageable, with a design that balances volume and portability well. Presto also includes a recipe book that can help users get started with reliable, tested recipes. For people who are new to canning, having trusted recipes on hand can prevent mistakes and ensure delicious results. Even experienced canners may appreciate having a collection of recipes specifically developed for the digital canner. What stands out the most about this appliance is how it transforms the canning process from something that once required constant supervision into a guided, almost hands-off experience. Traditional pressure canning requires careful attention to heat, pressure, and timing, and even a small mistake can compromise safety. This canner removes those barriers by handling the technical aspects automatically. It gives people the freedom to preserve their favorite foods with confidence and without stress. In everyday use, the Presto 021444 12-quart digital pressure canner feels stable, well-built, and thoughtfully engineered. It warms up efficiently, processes jars evenly, and cools down in an organized, predictable sequence. Whether you're canning meats, soups, vegetables, fruits, or jams, the unit maintains consistency across different batches. For households looking to reduce waste, save money, store garden harvests, or prepare shelf-stable meals, this canner is a valuable tool that supports long-term food storage in a safe and reliable way. Overall, the Presto 021444 is an ideal solution for anyone who wants a dependable, user-friendly canning appliance. Its combination of automation, safety, USDA-approved pressure canning, water bath capability, clear digital guidance, and generous capacity make it one of the best canning tools available. It simplifies a traditionally complex process while still offering the performance required for proper food preservation. Whether you're new to canning or upgrading from a traditional stovetop canner, This machine offers convenience, precision, and peace of mind every time you use it.